Yo, YouTube, it's your boy Kevin Love. Here is another special Hoover Elite I wanted to show you guys. It's a 10 amp Hoover. It is model U413-718. The headlight does work. I just wanted to show it just for the hell of it. It doesn't really get seen very much. I've always liked these type of style Hoover Elites when they got the orange. I think that was like a Kmart thing. Don't quote me on it, because I don't know every single thing. But if I'm not mistaken, that was like a Kmart signature for Hoover. They would put their little line across it. It's not a whole lot to say about this one. I got this one in 2019. I've had it for a couple years now, and she's still in pretty good condition. So without any further ado, I'll just go ahead and run it. Excuse me. But anyway, that's my special Hoover Elite. Please go ahead, watch, like, and subscribe. It's your boy, yours truly, Mr. Kevin Love himself, and I'm out. Peace.